As Christmas time draws near, the air in Prague smells sweeter than ever. And that's due to the Czech tradition of holiday baking.
My favorite Christmas dessert is in Czech Vánočka.
Vanilla rolls we have in the Czech Republic.
It's probably trdelník.
Like special sweets from my grandma.
My favorite Christmas dessert is probably gingerbread.
With a wide variety of traditional Czech holiday sweets, there are options for everyone. The recipes for these treats may be straightforward, but the tradition's history is more complex, argues cultural historian Michal Kubelka.
The communist era is really one of the big moments in Czech history when it comes to culture of the people. There was a little big boom of doing basically DIY, because even though the economic conditions for the poor people went up, there were still a lot of shortages. So it was simple to just make everything at home from scratch, including baked goods.
The shift to do-it-yourself baking during the communist era led to the creation of many family recipes that have been passed down through generations. Recently, however, there seems to be a new shift in this holiday tradition.
You find a really good DIY homemade baker. You find somebody you like and you just order it from them.
One such example is that of Perikovi Panacek. This family-owned gingerbread shop in Prague uses a recipe that goes back at least 3 generations. According to the shop owner's niece Jolana, the locals love the dough based on her grandmother's recipe.
Some who lived here came with small children. They buy it and then make it at home.
While this bakery as a middleman adaptation is gaining popularity, at-home baking has been around for decades and is here to stay.
I don't think there will be going anywhere. Even my generation and the younger generations are still learning to bake and are still baking. It's the comfort food of the season, basically. That's why we make it, that's why we like it.
Whether traditionally homemade, with dough from the bakery, or buying it ready-made at the Christmas market, in the end, it all comes down to 3 things.
It tastes good, it smells good, and it's looking good, I think.
And there's nothing sweeter than this holiday tradition.